Go team, go. Hi guys, how are you today? My name is Bailey Sarian, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look right here. Look at it. I was feeling inspired by Easter, okay? The peeps out there, the candy peeps, they're my favorite and what I live for. But also I got this eyeshadow palette from Lancome and it was speaking to me. I needed to try it and create a look with it. So that's what I did today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and ring my bell. And I will shut up. Let's get into the tutorial. So first I'm going to start with my complexion, as I always do. I am going to be trying this. It's the Amazing Cosmetics Illuminate Primer Highlighter. And it's in this shade Glow. I haven't used this before, but I saw it on The View. And don't judge me, okay, on my TV. But I saw it on The View and they were like, oh my God, it's the best thing ever. You need to try it. So it says that you can use this before your foundation to give an all over glow, or you can use it after your foundation to highlight. So I'm applying it before because I want to see what it's gonna do for me. I want to glow. It's got some shimmer in there. Prepped. The foundation today I'm going to be using, I have this little sample of the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is the shade, of course, it's a name I don't know how to say, Valerius. Shake it up really well. I have this in a full size that I purchased, and the shade that I got is way too dark. I still think it's too dark even when I self-tan. So anyways, I have the sample. Put that on. And then I'm gonna use my handy dandy Clarisonic with my foundation brush head to blend it out. Lately it's been playing this little jingle when I turn it on. I cannot figure out why it's doing that, but it's annoying. So once my foundation is all applied, I am now using my Kevyn Aucoin Supernatural Concealer. This is the corrector. I like it because it has a peachy tone to it. I'm really dark up in here, and I like to place it right in here just to lighten it up. And then this sponge is my new favorite sponge. It's by a brand called Juno. I can't even describe the material. They say it's a microfiber, and Kim gave it to me. Kim, I do Facebook Live like every week. She gave it to me and was like, you have to try this sponge. And at first I was like, yeah, okay, sure. Only because I've tried so many sponges and I always end up going back to the Beauty Blender. But this one is so different. It's not like anything else I've used. And I've been loving this sponge. It's like $4. It kind of feels like a mattress, like the padding of a mattress, if that describes it at all. Then I come back with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and this is Fair Beige. And I just do a little dab-a-roo under my eyes, down the center of my nose, middle of my forehead, and my chin. Then going back to my sponge and blending this out. Once I have my concealer all blended out, I am now taking my Lancome Teint Idol Ultra Wear Makeup Stick. And I have the shade 420 Bisque Neutral. I really like this for my contour. I mean, I've been using it for a while now, but it's creamy, not too creamy, kind of dries down matte. It's so good. I am gonna use my Clarisonic to blend this out, but you can use a sponge. I'm addicted to this. So now that's all blended out, I'm taking my Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent. I kind of stopped using this for a while, but now I'm back on it. Using my sponge, let me dab some off, I got way too much. I'm setting my underneath my eyes, around my nose, chin, and then the middle of my nose. I don't do my forehead until after my eyebrows. I don't know why, that's just how I do it. So now, I just have a little makeup remover wipe. I wanna make sure there's nothing in my eyebrows. I'm going through this stage where I don't know how I want my eyebrows to look anymore. Lately, I just don't like them. But this is by The Balm, and it's called Ferocious Brow Pencil, and I have the shade Light Brown. And I'm going to fill in the upper brow, do little strokes, and then right in the beginning of the brow, stroking it in there. Same on the other side. Where's my spoolie? I have a bar of soap. I get the soap wet. I dip my spoolie in there, and then I brush my hairs upwards. The soap helps keep the brows in place and makes them just look fluffier. So now after I've done my eyebrows, I set my forehead with the Laura Mercier Loose Setting Powder in Translucent, and then I lightly, ever so lightly, set my brows. Boom, 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 Boom. While that sets, I am going to work on my eyeballs. Now, this is what I'm most excited about. If you watched my Instagram stories, I had done like a little mini unboxing and I showed this palette from Lancome. It's called the Eye Sugar palette and it's so colorful and pretty and different. And then I also got these bad boys. Now, these are cream eyeshadow sticks from Lancome as well. And these I swatched on my Instagram story. But don't you worry, because I brought my handy dandy swatch hand. If you don't know what this is, I'm gonna tell you. So this is actually a hand that tattoo artists use to practice tattooing, you know, before they ruin your skin forever. They practice on these fake hands. It's latex, it's like a legit hand. And I was like, I'm gonna use this hand to do my swatches on because I just can't do it on mine. It doesn't show up like I want it to. And I asked you guys what I should name him. I got some really great names, but the name that I like the most is Handrew. So this is Handrew, and I'm gonna swatch this palette and show you what it looks like. So these are the swatches I did with my finger, and it looks nice with my finger, but we're gonna have to see how it does with a brush. I was thinking this is very Easter. This is very cutesy, magootsy. Oh, let me swatch these bad boys, because these are the cream eyeshadow sticks, and they're very creamy. They are very cute, the color selection is. And so I have to use these because I need to know how they're going to look. Because they're really creamy to the point where it seems like they're gonna be just a creasy mess. I first thought that they were for your lips. Anyway, so Andrew, our model, thank you so much for all of your hard work. Okay, so now let's do a look. I'm priming my eyes with the Makeup Forever Eye and Lip Primer. This has been my new favorite eyeshadow primer. It's so good. Primed. This is called number 2 Mint Tea. We got some mint tea up in here. Just taking a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna blend it. It's like not sticking to my lid right here. Maybe it's meant to be without a primer, but I would think it would crease. I'm gonna switch to Milky Pink and put this on the outer lid. Wipe my brush down and blend that. Let me see, maybe if I pick up directly off of it with my brush, it'll be better. Nope, not getting better. Maybe it doesn't like that primer because it's starting to look funky. And then this is number 4, Crispy Lavender. I'm confused. It's like separating my makeup. So maybe you're not supposed to have makeup on when you use these? That was a bad idea. Okay, with that being said, I was thinking because these are so creamy, I should set over the color with colors from this eyeshadow palette. So I am going to use this shade right here. On camera, it almost reads a little blue, but it's more of a teal shade. I'm using my flat brush and I'm just going to place this on top of the cream stick. Ooh, that's pretty. Pastel colors always make me nervous because there's a fine line between just looking really cheesy or like a kid, you know? When you're a kid and you're like, ooh, pastel colors, or just blue. Anyways, let's do this shade over here, which is a lighter pink shade. I'm gonna place this right over here. Doesn't look that great, to be honest. I wonder why the turquoise came out really well, but this pink looks like there's texture on my eye. And then the purple shade, I'm gonna use this bottom one over here. I'm gonna take a small concealer brush because right here I got a little cray. Like, what was I doing? Then, this is the brush that came in the actual palette. I wanna use this shade right here. It's just a cream white shade right in the middle. With the blending brush, there's nothing on it. I'm gonna go back and forth just to soften the edge. I'm gonna take a little bit of this deeper pink shade and place it on the outer lid because I wanna make it a little bit more pink. I feel like it's not that pink. Kinda looks like I have a sickness. I'm gonna layer this darker shade right here. I don't know. Let me do the other eye and I'll be right back. So I did the other eye. This white, it sticks and then all of a sudden I open my eye and it'll just disappear. It's very strange. I'm wondering if these cream sticks would work better without an eyeshadow primer on because it's kind of like catching onto it and creating texture on my lid. I don't know, I'm definitely gonna have to try it again, but that looks cute. I just wanted to like try them all, almost all. This color right here I think is so pretty. Anyways, I'm dusting off the loose powder, and then Lancome sent the macaroon, is it macaroon or macaron? Sent the macaroon blush and blender. It's number 02 Coral Whipped Cream. I thought the packaging was really cute. And then they sent these sponges with them, which these sponges are cute, but I don't know. Let's just try it. I just don't know the size of it or whatever. It kind of doesn't make sense. Like it feels like it would just get everything everywhere. Yeah, I don't know. I'm not crazy about that. But this blush has almost like a powder finish to it. It's so strange. It's a strange texture. Girl, I just look crazy now. Let me take my regular sponge and just blend it a little bit more so I don't look so crazy. I really like this. It doesn't break up the powder that I just had on. It adds pretty color. I got too much with that sponge. I don't think that sponge is for me, but this is by The Balm. It's, oh crap, I grabbed the wrong one. But it's called Take Home the Bronze, and normally I use the shade Oscar, but I accidentally grabbed this one. It's called Tony, and it's a little too dark for me. Luckily, I brought this. It's the Makeup Forever. You can create your own little palettes, so I'm gonna use these two shades. The number's on the bottom, and it's a really strong magnet, so trying to get these out is kind of a nightmare, but I will list in the description box below what the color is, because I'm gonna use this one right here. I hate it when like you try and get something out and you scratch it with your nail and then it's all under your nail, and life is just so rough. Anyways, so I'm just gonna place this in the hollow of my cheeks, along my jawline. So this is new. I wore it yesterday though, and I was like, this is so pretty. Just like that. It's Pixie by Petra, and the color is Delicate Dew. Look at that shine, you can't even see it. Where is it? Boom. So I'm going to layer a little bit of this one right on top of my cheekbones. Isn't she lovely? And then I take a little bit of that second shade. I don't know why. So beautiful. I just want to take this moment and thank Pixie for making me glow. I always have that problem of, I know you see it on Instagram where like girls' highlights are just like out of control pop in, and you're like, how do you do that? So I always wonder what I'm doing wrong. And then if I layer the highlight super intense, it just looks like I have so much texture on my skin. I feel like this one, I layered a lot, but I didn't have to layer that much, but it's not adding a ton of texture. Do I look like a clown? Yeah, thank you. Sonic said I look like a clown. Thanks, Sonic. I'm like Easter ready. I'm like ready to go to church and celebrate Easter with a bunny, because like the bunny rose from the dead and we search for his eggs. I'm using Lash Princess by Essence, their mascara. This one is the Volume Mascara. I've mentioned this so many times before. I really like the one that's in the turquoise case, or it has a turquoise lettering on it. And I went to 3 different Ultas. They said they had it online. It wasn't online. I can't find it anywhere. It's really pissing me off. So I settled for this one, and I just got it like, what, a couple weeks ago? It's already dried out. I'm disappointed. I want my mascara. I can't find it anywhere. Where is it? That was just my little mini rant. Sorry. Okay, I'm gonna put on a pair of eyelashes. I'll be right back. So I put on some lashes. I think now this look is growing on me. It's kind of cute. I feel cute. I got these lashes off of Amazon. I'll leave in the description box below which ones they are, because I don't know right now, but I know that they're from Amazon. I'm gonna line my lips with the Precision Lip Liner. Just a nude shade. And this is by Velvet59. It's a liquid lipstick, and it's called Babydoll. So cute. Babydoll. I'm gonna go back with the lip liner. It's very porn star pink, you know? It's good to have a porn star pink color in your collection of lips. You never know when you might need to bust it out. And this is the finished look. Ooh, look at that glow. thoughts, feedback, suggestions. Everything I use will be listed down below in the description box. I always try my best to list the products down below. But overall, that Lancome, the stick eyeshadows, I'm definitely gonna try them again without anything on my eyes. The palette, I feel like they're pretty, but I don't know. I'm gonna have to try it again too. Anyways, I hope you have a good day today. You make good choices and a happy and safe Easter. If you don't celebrate Easter, I hope you have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that good stuff. Okay, thank you. Bye.